Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you love baking like I do, then you have to have this pastry mat from Sapid. This mat is top-notch quality. I was blown away at just the absolute durability and premium quality that this mat is made of. At 20 inches by 28 inches, it gives me plenty of working space when it's time to knead my dough. I recently got into sourdough and exploring other baking, but I ended up leaving my countertop a disaster of flour all the time. With this baking mat, it not only protects my countertop, but it gives me a really nice work area. I love that it also has different measurements. So not only do the sides measure in centimeters and inches, it has the round area in the middle, so it's perfect for me to really know the size of the item that I'm rolling out. So whether it's a pie crust or a tortilla, it helps me to keep things a little bit more uniformed. And I also like that it has that nice outline so I can get the shape that I want to. This mat has a really nice thickness to it, which just really contributes to the durability. You can either roll it up. I prefer to just fold it, and it makes it really easy to store. I appreciate that this mat stays in place too. So when I put it on my countertop and I'm rolling out any type of dough, it is not moving, and it makes rolling out the dough a lot easier too. So I would definitely recommend this mat. It's a really nice quality, it's durable, and I absolutely love the size of it. But that's just my point of view.